Today we're here at the HCC Stafford campus welcoming our Teen Summit with students from all of Fort Bend ISD, from Stafford ISD, the entire Fort Bend County area. Students from their high schools, the principals, parents are here. We do this every year at Stafford. It's been a tradition. And today is about inspiring the teens about their future, creating their dreams, and telling them and providing them information about how education can change their future, what HCC has to offer, how to apply for financial aid, how to do an admissions for college, how much they can save by coming to HCC the first 2 years, about our honors college, about our centers of excellence, about our Coleman College for Health Careers. And so they get all that information today, but most importantly, they get to do hands-on and they get to ask questions from the subject matter experts. So we have faculty, chairs from all over the district here at Stafford campus today, providing that information. And it's a community event. It really is a wonderful community event where we have today about 125 students here, and the principals come with them, and they get an opportunity to tour all of our facilities and be able to see themselves here as our future Eagles.
Today, I'm getting a tour of the college, and right now we are at the 3D printing, where they do all the 3D prints. It takes a long time to design these things because you have to do layer by layer, and there are a bunch of overlaps, and the overlaps take extra work. The person who works for this has to study a lot because it's very complex stuff to do.
It's so exciting to see our Fort Bend ISD students. These are our future Eagles, and we want them to know the range of programs that HCC offers. My area is advanced manufacturing, which is so technologically advanced right now. There are many, many exciting things happening. These are careers that are just in the process of being developed, like robotic process automation. That's going to drive the smart factory of the future. And I'm so excited to have these young students here because we can expose them to these new careers and get them into these professions. These are called new-collar professions because they are high-tech, high-paid, high-demand. And I'm so pleased to say that advanced manufacturing has a 100% job placement rate.
The new development is basically our advanced manufacturing program at HCC Stafford campus. It offers a lot of programs that are state-of-the-art programs in advanced manufacturing, from machining, robotics, you name it, lots of programs, and industry. And these programs are based on industry needs, where the jobs are. So we are preparing our students for the job market that is growing in various career fields. So that's the new program that we are introducing to the students today, especially the advanced manufacturing programs at HCC.
Through the Center of Excellence, we offer students a lot of fantastic opportunities to work hands-on with equipment that they'd find in industry, especially in such a developing field as additive manufacturing. Through the college, we also have a lot of job placement opportunities because we work with companies to find out what they need from our students and what our students need to do to get their names on the top of the list for employment.
For more information, click on hccs.edu/STEM. Also, click on hccs.edu/manufacturing. For Stafford METV, this is Rey Molano.